So we thought a lot about how do we do this in a way that captures where hardware is going, where the world is going. So one of the things that makes Kachina so special, we have a companion technology called Nightstream. And what Nightstream does is it looks to the next generation so far beyond where cryptography is currently at. So currently we're on Plonk and Halo 2, that's what we launch with. But the problem with these things is they live in a different world. They live in a world without quantum computers, and they live in a world where all the privacy-enhancing technologies are fragmented. So with Nightstream, we said we have three goals. One is unify privacy. And here we're using a very specific type of technology called lattices, lattice-based cryptography, which is also immune to quantum computers. It's very special and allows you to do folding, recursion, and all these amazing things for infinite scalability. But two, zero-knowledge cryptography, this side of privacy, is very computationally expensive. It's very computationally heavy. So how do you have a compute grid that can deal with all of that if you outsource it to the off-chain side and somebody else does it instead of your cell phone? Well, we look to the future of hardware. And this right here is an NVIDIA DGX. NVIDIA is a $5 trillion company as of the time of shooting this video. And this little device here is about $4,000 and has over a petaflop of power. This small box is more powerful than every computer built by humanity up to 1991. A petaflop. Every few years, these things double. AI is creating an exponential surge in compute power like we've never seen in human history, and petaflops will turn to exaflops and yotaflops and beyond. And your phone is getting this, your laptop is getting this, your desktop computer is getting this. Computation is getting very cheap. The problem is that the math that these run on is not the same as the math that we currently use in the industry for this. We said, let's innovate and create a heart of midnight using something called Tensor Codes. And this will allow us to use the same mathematics of CUDA and other things that come from NVIDIA and AMD and these companies to use GPU acceleration so we can linearly scale. So as NVIDIA continues to innovate, as Intel continues to innovate, as Apple does and ARM does, all of these wonderful companies, this will keep us future-proof and allow us to linearly scale. What does this mean? It means that when we talk about unification of the on-chain and off-chain, you can have a layer for acceleration, and you can use privacy-enhancing technology like MPC and TEE. You can have that combined with the on-chain mechanism of Kachina. Putting these two pieces together, we can linearly scale. And what that means is that more GPUs, faster the proofs get. So instead of taking hours or minutes, they take seconds, then milliseconds, and then nanoseconds. Organically gets faster for free. No ASICs, no specialized hardware, or any of these other things.